Hi there, welcome back to my channel and another brand new video. In this video, I'm going to share how we can extract information from Google Map. Often in our uh, activities as a GIS professional, we might need information to be extracted from Google Maps, like information about point of interest or different business uh, institution or education institutions. And even it can be some park or anything like that. For this purpose, we often what we do that we search in Google or search in LinkedIn or any other social media as well to find business information. But this whole process can be done in a very simplest way and within few minutes. So in this video, I'm going to share a very simple process to scrap information from Google Map and how we can scrap information and also how you can import that into your art into your map or any also you can make a database of your own as well from there. So let's get on. So the first thing you will need a Google Chrome extension that extension is named as Instant Scraper or Instant Data Scraper. Instant Scraper. Then you'll see that option is appearing on the top of the page, and just click on this, and then you'll see an option in this add to Chrome. Just click on that one so the extension is installed in your browser. So once that is installed, you'll see that this option is coming on. Then instant data scraper has been added to Chrome, but you will not see is this appearing. So what you need to do is just go get click on here, and from there you see that instant data scraper is on. Just pin this so that you can find it whenever you want to have, and then go to Google Map, and suppose we want to find what are the insurance companies offices that are available within our locality. So that for that purpose, they search insurance company. So you see that all the insurance companies that are available within this area are already appeared on the map, and there are lots of insurance companies which are available. And the more we zoom in, we'll find more options. But we don't need to zoom in. What you do once you are here, just click on this, and you will see all their name appearing in your screen. Uh, their name, their review out of, sorry, their rating out of the reviewers, how what it does, it's what type of insurance company it is, where it is located. That means the address, yeah, is it open or closed? When does it open? Their contact number and also their website that is available here, and so on. So you can find information what is available within for that company, uh, and if you want to find all the companies or all the related uh, institution for your search, what you need to do, just click on this infinity scroll, uh, and then start and click on start crawling. You'll see that it will say that page is scrapped. So it will not, though that process is automated, but what you need to do is just scroll down a bit and click on start crawling. Then once you do this scrolling, it will scrap all this information that is available. So once it is done with all the pages scrapping, uh, it will come on the end of the screen, and then it will stop the crawling. So just scroll down, scroll down. So you have reached the end of the list, you see. So we have scrapped 11 pages altogether, and number of rows we have collected 129, and rows from the last page, that is 124, we took only 25 seconds to scrap all the information. And you can scroll down and see all the institution that is available within your locality. Now, once you are happy with the scrapping, just you need to do. Now, once you are happy with the scrapping, what you need to do is to download this scrapped information in the suitable format that you want. So there are two formats which are available within this toolbox, that they are CSV and Excel workbook format. So you can download the scrapped information any of this format. So I'll download this in CSV format. So once you will download this, you'll see all the information that you scrapped are available in your uh, Excel file, and then you can also alter the table, or you can also change the field name you want, just like the business name, then rating out of how many reviewers, then type of the institution, then address available or location, and then if it is closed or open, and why if it's closed, when the opening time is, uh, any contact number which is available, and also the relevant website name. You can also omit whatever fields you don't need, and just keep all those which you need for your uh, database. So that's all for this video. I hope this video has been useful and you have learned require related and also informative information about while scraping from Google Map. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like to this video, and stay in touch with this channel to get more informative video like this in the future. Thank you so much. Bye bye.